Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Financeable. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cash out on MetaTrader 5. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, access your broker withdrawal system. Log into your online broker account. Then locate the withdraw fund section. Choose withdraw method. Select your preferred withdrawal method such as bank transfer, credit card, debit card or e-wallet. Each method might have different processing time and fees. Enter your withdrawal details. Then your broker will process the withdrawal request according to the internal procedure and chosen method. This is how you can cash out on MetaTrader 5. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.